This is Honor 70, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. First of all, swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar. Among the shortcuts that will be available to you, find the one that says nearby share, then touch and hold on it, then turn the switch on. After that, you can switch the device visibility mode between, disabled to visible to only your devices, your contacts, or anybody who is in range. You can also change the account that will be used, the device name. I'll rename it to Hardy's Honor. Then you can also change the data mode that will be utilized, and that will be it. You can just go ahead and start using it. So in order to test this feature out, I'll take another device that I so happen to have. Let me quickly open gallery. I'll make some screenshot or whatever. So here I have it. Now I'll share it through the nearby share. Wait until my honor gets discovered. Here it is. Tap on it, then accept on the receiver's end. Already, tap on the accept button, wait until the file gets transferred, and that will be it. Now we can open it on our device, and it has been saved to the gallery, or had to be saved into the gallery. Here it is as well. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.